Hi friends, I'm Nitish Balal, head coach and founder of CrossFit Vyom, and we are back with one more series of workouts uh, under the Vyom Pump series. And today's workout is going to be about the back. So we're going to do three major movements. The first one is going to be an isometric hold, where we are going to try and hold ourselves with the chin above the bar. This is basically trying to mimic a pull-up where we go above the bar, but you're going to stay there. You're not going to come down. You're going to stay there. You're going to hold that for 15 seconds. If you don't have a pull-up bar, I'm going to show you a few variations as to how can you do. The second movement is going to be a bent over dumbbell row, but then we are going to change it by controlling the tempo, where we're going to pull it quickly, but then lower it down slowly, taking 3 seconds to lower it down. And then the final is going to be again an isometric hold. Technically, it's not an isometric hold, but it's basically one of the famous bodybuilding poses where we are trying to spread the lat so that you get in all the blood into the muscle so that it uh, breaks down the muscle fibers more, and that gives you better hypertrophy. So watch the video till the end, guys, for more details. So guys, as I told, the first movement is nothing but the chin over the bar hold. For that, I luckily have a place in my house that is a cupboard kind of a structure where I'm pretty heavy and I'm not comfortable or trying to hang myself from the door. But you can also do that if you're not that heavy and if your doors are strong. I'm just scared and don't want to be uh, beat up from my parents. तो मेरे को उनसे डांट खाने का कोई शौक नहीं है, इसलिए मैं दरवाजे पे ट्राई नहीं कर रहा हूँ. But you can always try it on that if you are comfortable. The actual movement is you're going to get your hands up on a cupboard or a surface that is high enough. From there, what you're going to do is you just have to get yourself in a point where your chin is above the bar. So I'm going to go up and hold myself there for 15 seconds. And then come down. So that's going to be your first movement. So make sure you don't jack up your shoulders like that. You want to keep your shoulders relaxed. Imagine there are two oranges under your armpits. You're squeezing those oranges and keeping yourself straight, and hold that position for 15 seconds. Okay guys, so suppose you can't find a cupboard like that, or you can't even find the courage to do it on the door just like I do. तो आप यही मूवमेंट एक दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. Get a pair of dumbbells. If you want, you can use dumbbells, or if you don't have access to dumbbells, you can use 2 water bottles as well. तो ये मूवमेंट आप स्केल डाउन तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. It will give you the same stimulus. So what I want you to do is, I want you to push your hips back, keep a slight bend in the knees, hold the dumbbells in front of you, just in front of your knees. From there, pull the dumbbells back, closer to your hip, not to your chest. You're going to pull it closer to your hips. And again, imagine that there are two oranges in your under your armpits, and you're going to squeeze them hard and stay there. Keep your shoulders relaxed and hold that for 15 seconds. And from there, you can rest. So that's how it's going to be if you can't find a cupboard or a door. Okay, so if you don't have a cupboard, or if you don't find the door safe enough to do the chin over the bar hold, you also have an option of doing the ring row hold with squeezing your oranges under the armpit. So for that, you can do it at home even if you don't have access to rings or a TRX or anything. All you need is a towel or a bed sheet like this, and of course a window. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to take this bed sheet, I'm going to wrap it up against the window so that it's at equal arms from both ends. So I'm going to get myself, keep my feet at the edge of the window, edge of the wall. I'm going to hang using my bed sheet as much as I can. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull myself, squeeze my oranges under the armpit and hold there for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and so on for 15 seconds, and then lower myself down. So you can use this movement also as an alternative instead of the chin over the bar hold or the bent over dumbbell row hold. If those both are not working in your favor, this is something. And again, if the length of the bedsheet or the towel is different, you can try at different heights and find out the right stimulus where 15 seconds is challenging for you. So this is again one more option, guys. Okay guys, so the second movement of the workout is going to be a dumbbell row, but with a 3-second eccentric. So for that, again, if you have access to dumbbells, great. Or agar nahi hai, तो you can even get it done with water bottles. So how are we going to do it? Just like we did the scaled version, you're going to keep your hips back, get the dumbbells or water bottles or any other weight that you're using just in front of the knees. From there, you're going to pull quickly, take 3 seconds to lower yourself down. Again, imagine to squeeze those oranges under your armpits. I'm squeezing them and I'm taking 3 seconds to lower myself. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. You're going to do this for a total of, you're going to do this for a total of 15 reps. If 15 is way too much with the weight, you can reduce it down to 10 reps. So somewhere between 10 to 15 reps with a 3-second eccentric should be good. So the third movement that we are going to use in the workout for our Vyom Pump back session is going to be a lat spread. It is one of the mandatory poses that we use in a bodybuilding contest. So you might not get the hang of it right in the beginning, but I'll just give you a demonstration as to how do you do it. Feel it. Even if it works 50%, it's going to help you. So how do you do it is you're going to basically form a thumbs up like that. You're going to get your thumbs on the outer edge of your hip here. Okay? You're going to pull your shoulder blades back. From there, you're going to try and get the elbows as forward as possible. So while you do that, you're trying to imagine that you're pushing two weights that from using your elbow. So it's going to look something like I'm pushing the elbows forward, 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 forward as much as I can. So I don't want to get my shoulders up forward like that. So I want to keep my shoulders back, but I want to keep pushing my elbows forward. That is going to get my lats open up and it's going to fill my back muscles with as much blood as possible. And again, I'm going to hold this for 15 seconds. So how does it look from the back? Just have a look. My back looks as parallel as it could be. I'm going to get my thumbs on my hips. From here, I can position myself with 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. And from there, I'm going to first pull the shoulders back. From there, I'm going to open my lats by pushing the weight forward using my elbows. And that gets my lats out. And I'm going to hold it for 15 seconds. Feel all that pump, the blood flowing into my back muscles. And then I rest. So this is our third movement. So the workout is nothing but 15-second chin over the bar hold. That's your first movement. The second movement is going to be 15 reps of dumbbell row with a 3-second eccentric. That's going to be your second movement. You do that for 15 reps. And the third movement is going to be the lat spread. 15-second isometric hold. All these three movements collectively do it for a total of 10 sets. Rest roughly about 1 minute between each set. And you should have a massive back pump session. That's it for the back Vyom Pump session. Keep watching these videos, guys. We will come up with more such workouts. So we've done an arm session, we've done a shoulder session. We just came up with a back session. The next video we will try and get a leg workout for you. If you do like these videos, just share it with as many people as you can. If you have something that we can come up with in our videos, do comment in the videos below. Thank you very much, guys. Until then, stay fit, stay happy, stay home and stay safe. Cheers.